Hi, I'm Nate Grant with Compass Point, and we specialize in selling companies in the lower middle market, and sometimes it can be confusing as to what kind of intermediary you need. Uh, so this video isn't really an overview of the market. So let's start with small companies, and I define small as a couple hundred thousand in earnings up to maybe a half a million in earnings. That correspond to maybe a million in revenue. And that's really the size of company where business brokers are best suited to sell companies like that. Business brokers, generally regulated by most states regulated by the Department of Real Estate. And you can think of the real estate model as really applicable. They may work for a large company, but business brokers generally work on their own. They typically need to make a living. They need 7 to 10 listings at a minimum, which means that they don't have a lot of time on each client. Generally, the marketing that's done is they have one-page flyers or a fill in the blanks template, and they use the web, which is perfect because most of the buyers for small companies are individuals, and individuals that are looking for companies pretty quickly learn that the web is the best place to find them. BizQuest, BizBuySell, places like that. So it's really a web-based market. Now, if you move up a little bit, you get a company that's 500,000 in earnings, a million in earnings. Then you're looking at a company that's starting to be attractive to other companies, strategic acquirers, or private equity groups, as well as individuals. Now, the strategics and the financial buyers, they may not be looking on the web. I mean, they may not even know that they'd be interested until they're contacted. So marketing becomes a huge factor for mid-sized companies. Marketing plan, the ability to execute, the time to execute, and the ability to handle the funds to do a marketing campaign becomes very important. And that's the kind of Compass Point would be, that kind of M&A broker working on those deals. Now, as you get larger, even larger than that, then you start looking at an M&A advisor or investment banking firm that has a team. And if you get really large, 100 million, 200 million, that kind of interesting that marketing no longer is a factor because you know who the buyers could be, and then it's a matter of just having somebody, an investment banker with industry focus that can put those deals together. So I hope this is helpful, and there's a follow-up video on the fees that you can expect.